Hi guys, we have a nice radical problem here, which is under root of 7, under root of 7, under root of 7 times infinity is equal to what? You have four choices, either root 7, infinity, 1 or 7. So just put this whole term as x. Let x is equal to this. And then what we are going to do is square both sides. So when we square both sides, let me write down the equation again. X is equal to under root of 7, under root of 7, under root of 7, and goes on till infinity. Now we're going to square both sides, so squaring on both sides, this root and square gets cancelled, so we are left with x square is equal to 7 times under root of 7, root of 7 times infinity, and so on. Now, as you can see from the question, under root of 7, and root 7 times infinity, which goes on, is equal to x. So we are going to substitute x in place of this. So we have x square is equal to 7 times x. Now, just divide both sides by x to eliminate this x. So this and this gets eliminated, so x is equal to 7, and that's your answer. The solution is D. X is equal to 7. Hope you enjoyed it.